If you have ever felt that your soy sauce chicken was dry or tasteless, this recipe will change that. Juicy, flavorful, and so easy. You can do it and I will show you how. Let's build serious flavor. Start with half a teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Do you want to make your own? My homemade 5-spice recipe is linked below. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine for that restaurant style aroma. Then 1 tablespoon each of dark soy sauce and sweet dark soy sauce for color and a subtle sweetness. I used to just wing it with soy sauce. This combo finally nailed the deep, balanced flavor I wanted. Grab 2 boneless chicken thighs. Don't stress about deboning, I covered that in another video. Get them well coated. Every corner should get some love from this marinade. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. I used to rush this and always got dry chicken. Don't skip this step. Add a little oil in a pan, just enough the chicken skin does the rest. Lay the chicken in, skin side down. Don't move it. Let the skin get golden. 3 to 4 minutes on each side. That sound, that's how I know dinner's going to be good. We are building flavor, not burning. There is also an easy one-pot version. If you want to cook effortlessly, you will find the link below. Let it rest, this is the hardest part. Wait a few minutes before cutting. Just look at that. My chicken used to be dry and set. Now, I always steal a piece before it hits the table. Serve over hot rice with my soy garlic bok choy on the side. The perfect combo. This is pure comfort. Deep soy flavor, a hint of sweetness, and gentle 5-spice. If you want an easier one-pot version, that's linked below. And try my homemade 5-spice blend for even more flavor. See you next time.